Hello, my name is Ken Harrison, and I'm the President and CEO here at GNB Corporation. GNB is an extraordinary manufacturing corporation with outstanding abilities. We can make items as small as a dime or as large as a two-car garage 2 stories high. One of the things that I'm very proud of here at GNB is our engineering team. We have some of the best engineers specifically trained and educated for vacuum experience. Here at GNB, virtual leaks are virtually gone. Our engineering group knows how to design products so that virtual leaks simply do not happen. We also have an outstanding welding group. I believe that our welding group is in the top 1% of all welders in the nation. Their skill, the quality of the work that they produce, the look of the weld, the leak tightness of the weld. When we weld something, the requirement is that it cannot leak more than 1 thimbleful of helium in 30 years. We also have an outstanding machining group. We have some of the latest and newest state-of-the-art machining centers. We have horizontal machining centers and vertical machining centers, and we can handle some of the largest parts in the vacuum industry. We also have a lot of automation and robotics. In our headquarters, where all of the standard components are made, it's a lights-out manufacturing with some of the best quality and automated manufacturing that exists in the world. We also have an outstanding assembly department. In our assembly department, our employees know how to move some of the largest items, whether it's assembling something that weighs 100,000 pounds or putting together a gate valve with a 4-meter gate that has a huge opening. They are very skilled and very capable at what they do. Their testing abilities and their certifications for helium leak tests are some of the best in the nation. GNB used to be known by the mantra, the big valve guys. But in 2016, GNB was bought by the KL Group. In the future, I want all of our customers to think of us for all of their hardware needs, whether it's large or small, whether it is complex, whether it is standard, whether it is a modified standard, or something completely radical and completely custom. Whatever the need is for vacuum hardware, I want our customers to think of GNB first. The products that GNB manufactures are some of the best quality in the world. We also offer outstanding deliveries and at a very fair and reasonable price. Overall, I believe we are the very best value in the industry.